Hello there again, my friends. So right now we are going to unbox another item that we bought online. This is one of my hobbies. I collect toys or action figures. This is a sort of an unboxing or packaging, but I am not going to remove the actual toy outside of its sealed box. If you know what I mean. So I'm not planning on unboxing them anytime soon, maybe sometime in the future. I have a lot of them already, but this one, I forgot which one this is. So this around 1,340 pesos or $26, so somewhere around that figure. So see, we have a lot of backlogs. This was from December 26. So let's open it. The packaging is so reliable. That's why I always keep on buying on the same store. Okay. The previous one that I bought from them has some dents on the box. I hope they don't have it now. So this is what we have. The Multiverse Batman White Knight. This is the White Knight Red Edition. There's nothing else in the box. Thank you very much, box. You can go to the side and you can spray it a little bit just for safety. So this is it. The DC Multiverse Batman, the red edition. It has the batarang with the rope here as well, and then the gun, batarang gun. Okay, so the detail is really good. If you can see, right? It's still sealed. I'm not planning on opening it right now. Maybe sometime in the future. So I already have a couple of these. I already have 5 previous boxes like this. So this is the 6th one, and it's really good. It's the McFarlane edition. Okay, these are all designed by McFarlane, Todd McFarlane. Okay, so this is it. I really wanted to get this one, and this one, and this one as well. I think I already have this. This one I don't have yet. Okay, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. I will try to get more toys and then unbox them right here for you, for us. Thank you very much. See you again next time.